Did you ever do like through your drip, like compost teas or anything that way, or you just spray it?
I did it, yeah, near the end. I did because I got one of those easy flows,
Yeah.
and I like that. I think it's a great way. The spraying, it takes time, it takes effort, and all that. So, but I think it helped my crop stay a lot more healthy. Um, so especially in the beginning of your farm when you don't have super developed soil, super developed microbes, I think it's a great way to go.
Okay.
And if you have outbreaks of certain issues, if you have fungal or disease issues or pest pressure, I liked it, because when you spray, if there's aphids or certain bugs, you can kind of use that as a way to spray off the aphids while you're
Got
also
it.
spraying out microbes and nutrients and stuff. So that was kind of like a double benefit for me to be able to do that, and just helping to mitigate, prevent bad stuff from happening, like getting overgrown.
Mm-hmm.
Let the good guys go in and kind of do a little bit of that battle.
Right.
So I don't know. Um, at least once a month, up to once a week. I would not go more than. I don't think more than once a week is beneficial. Like now irrigating with like the JMS or a compost tea. You could do that once a week, and that's easy too. It's not a bunch of effort. And then maybe you spray once a month, or if you're having issues, maybe you're noticing a nutrient deficiency or some more disease or bug pressure, then spray more often.
Okay.
And just kind of let the nature show you what you should do, I guess.
Yeah.
By the time it was like my third season, I noticed that I didn't like my crops were really healthy without spraying that often because my
That's amazing.
soil was so developed.
How to work. Yeah.
Right.